up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayachuku and this is Aya's Travelogue. Guys, I'm still in Enugu and today I'm at a place called Oakland Park and I'm here because they have a roller coaster and I want to ride that. I've been wanting to do that for the longest, ever since I knew that there was a thing such as a roller coaster, but there's none from where I'm coming, so I'm here to ride that specifically. And then I'm going to show you other things that they have here. There's also a hotel here. So there's a hotel and then the park is inside the hotel. So stay tuned for all the details. I'm so excited, guys. So this is the pirate ride. As we know, I think I saw this. I showed you guys something like this in Abuja, although that was bigger. And over there's a bumpy car ride where you ride your cars, mini cars, and just bump on each other. Supposed to do this bumpy ride though, but I'm going to do my roller coaster because roller coaster is all I'm here for. So in all the parks that I've been to, I always see this particular horse wheel or something. It's always there, and kids love it. I'll get on it one day, not today. And this is the room for video gamers here. That's a teacup. I'm not sure what happens in a teacup. I'm not sure what happens in a teacup. But yeah, I think people just get on it and I don't know. The place is neat and I like it. Guys, that's the roller coaster right there. I'm so excited. Woo. I'm trying to have some good time. Darlings, I cannot wait to get in the roller coaster. I cannot wait to get in the roller coaster. Guys, I'm about to take off. Guys, that was crazy. Jesus. Whew. That was crazy. My goodness. No. I was not expecting that. I don't even know what I was expecting. But I thought it was something I could use my phone because I see this thing online and people use their phone. But it was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. And I'm definitely going to do it again. So guys, after that crazy experience with the roller coaster, I went to somebody called Unity Park, and it's just an open park, has lots of trees. I like it. I like the thing I'm saying. You can have your picnics here, come and have some alone time, long walks. It's quite big. So I'm not sure what this is, if it's a lake or a mini pond or something, but this is like the ride boat. They ride mini boats here, because I saw a signpost that says boat ride. But I do not want to believe that this is the water that they ride. Maybe what the rain or something, probably they'll change the water. I'm not really sure about that, but I don't want to believe that dirty water is what they ride the boats on. So the place is a really nice place. Like I said, you can come here and chill in the evenings as well, because it's also open and the environment is safe as well. So this sculpted lion, as you can see, is the main attraction of this place. This sculpted lion is the very main attraction. If you come here, make sure you do well to take a picture with the lion and send it to me if need be. And so guys, we've come to the end of this video. Like I said, it's free to get in here, and you can have your picnics here. You can have a mini party with just you and close friends. You can just come here, chill, and just do whatever you like. It's a park and it's free. So we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I had fun making it for you. Please do hit the subscribe button, like my video, and give my video a big thumbs up. Till I see you again. Bye for now.